La la la. Hello, it's time for a new loot crate. It's a bit earlier, luckily, this month. Last month I got it really late. So this is our loot crate. The theme of this month is Primal. And there should be some Jurassic Park Predator items in here. I'm very curious, so I'm gonna try and open it. So it's open. Oh, I see something I like already. I see a Wolverine statue. I love the X-Man, and Wolverine is my favorite of the X-Men. I haven't seen the new movie yet, Logan. It should be very good, but I'll have to be sure to go and watch that soon. So, X-Man Wolverine statue. Woohoo! Ooh! This is the Predator item. It's a bottle opener. I'm gonna take it out of the so it won't so shiny. Look at this one. That's nice, huh? It's a bottle opener, but I think it's too cool to use. It's a Loot Crate exclusive, I see. So it's exclusively for Loot Crate members. Ooh, that's very cool. Oh, two cool items already. And I see another very cool item because I'm a big, huge Jurassic Park fan. And I see a electrified fans. So for those of you who have seen Jurassic Park or Jurassic World, this is from Jurassic World, these are the signs that are on the fences everywhere. So that's awesome, right? Look at that one. It's thin. When there are safety instructions for Isla Nublar on the back. I'll read them out to you. So it says, please abide by all safety warnings and instructions on posted signs throughout the park. Proper attire, including shoes and shirts, must be worn at all times. We are eager to make your Isla Nublar experience as fully exciting and memorable as possible. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact guest relations or speak with any of our Isla guides. Jan. So I'm gonna let you look at it one more time. The pin, pin is don't know what this is. Maybe I'm very stupid, but I don't know what it is. So here it says go to lootcrate.com pins, so it unlocks something epic. I'm gonna put this on my backpack. I like it. And then we're going on to the it's booklet. No, what's this? Oh yeah, it's the booklet. Now first we're gonna have a look at the t-shirt of this month. It says Overwatch. I'm sorry, but I haven't played that one. Again, not a t-shirt I would buy myself, but that's great about getting t-shirts in a loot crate. You get t-shirts you would never buy yourself. And I like it. It's again, I haven't played it, so maybe if I play the game, because I think it's an Xbox game, maybe if I play the game it will be one of my favorite games ever, but never played it. I'm gonna let you take a look at the inside of the box. That's awesome. And there's dinosaurs right there, so you can make a dinosaur of it. Oh, see if I can do that later, but first here is the booklet. So let's see what it's all about. There is something ancient buried deep within all of us. Something wild, something primal. This month's crate was designed to help you unleash the beast within. Featuring exclusive Wolverine, Overwatch, Jurassic World and Predator items. Use this guide to learn more about your loot and keep your savage instincts at bay. So here we go, follow your instincts. This is here's a booklet about the keys, but I think I'm too late for that one. That's because I'm in the Netherlands, so I get the keys a little bit late, I think, to unlock it. But let's look at the rest. So we're gonna talk about the electrified fence sign. It says Jurassic World delivered on the vision John Hammond put forth with Jurassic Park. We wanted to give you a piece of that world. The key to a safe, functional dinosaur theme park. Probably less raptors. But hey, if you've already genetically engineered some murder lizards, we've got you covered. This replica sign from Jurassic World comes with zip ties to help you mount it on any fence. Oh, that's cool. There's zip ties in it. On any fence or high-tech security system that definitely won't fail this time. Definitely. On to the Overwatch shirt. Overwatch, where you spray that thing. In Overwatch you can unlock sprays, graphics that your character can graffiti onto different surfaces. One of our favorites is Winston's Primal Rage spray, so that's what's on the shirt. That's this one. Spray which we've tagged on this month's shirt. Winston is a hyper-intelligent ape, something like me, who grew up on a lunar colony and was once part of a team of heroes called Overwatch. He's articulate, logical, and longs for an era of heroism and nobility, until you make him angry. And we're gonna go to the next one. There are two variants of the Predator the Predator bottle opener. It's licensed by Fox and it's made by Lootcrate. Hunt like a predator. We get it, you ain't got time to bleed or open bottles. Well, with this Predator bottle open, you can rip the caps right off. You could get one of the two variants, the Jungle Hunter from the original Predator, or Gord, one of the fearsome members of the hunting party from Predator 2. So, I'm not sure. I think I have the Jungle Hunter, the original one. Correct me if I'm wrong. On to the next one. That's my favorite. That's the Wolverine. Which Wolverine did you get? I got Logan, I think. Yeah. You could get Logan, Old Man Logan, or Raw Adamantium Logan. I'm gonna let you see. So these are the ones you could have. This is the Raw Adamantium Logan. This is the one I got, and this is the Old Man Logan. I'm gonna read to you about the one I have. So Logan, aka Wolverine, first appeared in 1974's Incredible Hulk number 180 as a member of a Canadian Special Forces team sent to take down the Hulk. He heals insanely fast and is notable for his claws and surly demeanor. Since his debut, he's become one of the most popular characters in the Marvel Universe, joining multiple teams including the X-Man and the Avengers, and starring in several films. On to the next one. Unbox the Beast. So that's the box, which I'm not gonna do at this time, but it looks something like that when it's finished. And then we're gonna go on to the loot bin. So you've survived your trek through the wilderness, and your primal side couldn't help but claw its way to the surface. Fortunately, that looks really cool on the pin. So now go beyond the crate and take on the digital frontier. Head to lootcrate.com/pins, log into your account and unlock your DLC. It's different every month, but it's always awesome. So I see this month you get some free digital comics again. So it's Savage. So that's pretty cool. So you have to go to the Comixology website. And then there are some pictures of the looter community. And that's pretty cool. So that's it for this month. We love you too, Loot Crate. So that's my favorite item is definitely this one. I like that very much, and also the sign from Jurassic World. But this is so awesome. So what did you like most? I won't put the t-shirt on because I've already seen it and I'm not really a model. So if you'd like to see the t-shirt on, let us know in the comments below. But I think you get what it looks like. That's it for this month. I don't know about next month's theme. So yeah, I'll let them surprise me. I think I will see it come by somewhere on Facebook or something like that. So take a look at our website www.conmos.com for more unboxings and everything about movies, conventions and series. I think I'm gonna keep on the subscription for a little while. So next month I'll see you for another Loot Crate.